Hi guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my IKEA haul. I got all of these products 2 months ago, so I'm not really sure if they're still in stock or available. I'll just try to find all the links and place them down in the description box below. So if you're interested, you can do check them out. So the products which can actually be moved or which can be things are, I have placed them on this bed right now, and now that I got them 2 months ago, so I just got all of them fixated. Like my mom got all of that fixated in our house, so that it's also good, you'll get a clearer perspective of how they actually look, because most of the IKEA products, they come in like tools kind of a thing, so that you don't really understand with the outer packaging. Now that all of them are already constructed, so you can see them properly. So most of the furniture of IKEA you need to construct yourself. That is, they'll give you a nice instruction manual with the required tools, and you need to wake the little engineer inside you to do that. That's pretty much a lot, but yeah, if you're interested what all I have, then keep on. First things first, I'm going to be starting with the crockery because I have quite a few of them. So I place them in a tray right here, so I'm going to be showing them one by one. The first one is this white cup which has polka dots in it. It's so pretty. I just love collecting mugs, so I have few of them. So yeah, this is one of it. The next one we have is this one. It has this nice zigzag kind of a pattern, and it says IKEA right here, if you can see. So yeah, this is the second mug. Coming to the third one, I have this is one of my most favorite mugs of all. This is this purple, light purple or violet, I don't really know what this color is. So this is it, and this is how it looks. It is a perfect size. I like to drink my coffee, my tea, everything here. Out of all the cups I own, this is my most favorite cup. I don't know why. And then we have like a tea saucer thing, and this is how it looks like. How pretty is this? Can we appreciate for a second? Even if you're not really a coffee or tea drinker, you can like, personally I think, like, if I wasn't a coffee or tea drinker, I would still drink it. For this cup, it comes with the cup and saucer. It is a set together. You need not buy the cup and the saucer separately. It's a set again. And yeah, those are few, and I actually have two of them. So here's one and here's another one. So I have two of them, so that me and my dad can drink coffee together or tea together. And then I have this bowl. This is the mixing bowl, pretty transparent, can be available anywhere possible, but I really wanted this from the longest time, and I couldn't find it anywhere, and I finally found it on IKEA, so I just picked it up. And then wait, I have this cute little set, looks like, and it has these cute little glasses, like the chai glasses. Look at the color, look at the pastel color they have greens, blues, yellows, whites. There's a little like a kid place it kind of a thing. This thing was a bit on the expensive side, but I really like the way they look. They were so cute. Even though if we don't use them, I think they can still be used like a display piece if they are arranged properly. So I just picked it up. It is so cute. One of my favorite purchases again. These are all the crockery I have. So now going into something random, I got this plant from IKEA. This is a decorative piece. I just place it in my room. I'll just show you while showing the stand. So this is the plant. And then with that plant, I have this plant stand or plant pot. Yeah, plant pot. So I have this silver color plant pot. A little color has gone right here, but it is so pretty. It is golden on the inside, silver on the outside. Looks super good wherever you place it. Again, amazing display piece. Going to the next product, we got these 3 plant bins. They are supposed to be plant bins, but we got it for the sake of, no, they're actually, oh, I'm sorry, I'm saying it ulta. They're actually dustbins. But we thought of using them like a plant bins. So we have like 1, 2, 3 and 4 of them. We picked 4 of them. Again, they were super cheap, so we thought why not buy it and place few plants in our farmhouse, because they look super cute. They're too cute for a dustbin. Right. I got these pillow covers from IKEA again. Nothing very different or special, but they were in this color and they were nice and big. So this is how they look. Not with the pillow, only the cover again. This is how they look. Got 2 of them. One is this one and next is this one. These are the only 2 pillow covers that I've been using recently, because my mom doesn't allow me to remove the covers of the pillows inside, and hardly any pillow cover which I own fits them. So yeah, and I like them too, of course. And then we have I don't know what this is. It's actually a chadar, or like, I don't know what chadar called in English. A blanket. It's like a blanket, and I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. But there's a picture right here which shows the image of how this is gonna actually look. It is nice and colorful. It has blue pink accents. I think it comes with a pillow cover. IKEA doesn't really have, according to me, IKEA doesn't really have a lot of variety in bedding. They do have quite a few variety. They are of good quality, but I think you get better products outside. But you know, I just wanted to give it a try, and I got it and I never tried it, so ignore that. And now coming to the storage, I have this super big box. Oh my god, I got this super big box. I got 2 of them. One of it is with my mom, placed upsides, placed in the top rack, so I didn't want to remove it. This is super big. We personally use it to store dry clean clothes or anything like that, so that we don't, oh shit, I think I'm gonna break stuff today. We usually use this for storing dry cleaning clothes or stuff like that, because it's super huge and super handy, and like, it doesn't look messy at all. You just need to fold your clothes, keep it inside and place it in a corner. Like, it looks super amazing. It was not very expensive, I guess. I don't really remember, because I need to you know, type all these numbers which it has right here. Every product has a number like this, which you need to like go and search and check it out. So that's how I'm going to search every product's price, because I don't really have the bill right now. And this is super huge. They have different sizes in it. I got the biggest size or the second biggest size, I don't remember. So that is one thing. And the next thing we have, oh my god, this is super heavy, is this box. This is white in color, and this opens like this. It has its own cap, and yeah, that's how it looks like. Oh my god, people are staring at me. I'm sitting right in front of the window and people are staring at me and thinking that I'm crazy, but it's okay. We gotta do it for the video. If you want to put your accessories or anything, you can put that individual organization boxes, which are also available on IKEA. Wait, I don't have them. I'll just go and get them. Oh my god, they're looking at me and it's so weird. It's so weird. Ow! Just a second. So guys, these are the boxes, and this is how it looks like. I got like 5 or 6 of them, and I placed them in my drawer. They're super easy to organize. My mom stole few from me. So I am left with few. They're super nice, they're super affordable, and they even have different shapes. Like, this thing has a rectangle here, two rectangles here and 2 squares here. So they had like rectangles, the entire rectangles, like which you can use for your eyeshadow palettes, or you know, just 2 rectangles, and you know, a little bit of square sections where you can put your blushes and highlighters and stuff like that. So this was super handy. I got this one. Guys, that are all the things which I have, like which can be moved or which can be shown to you like this. I have other furniture and stuff, so you have to come with me. You have to come with me for that. So let's go. Oh heck, I just forgot to show you these three things. So these are a set of three, and these are cute little artificial plants. They're actually plastic. So these are a set of three, and they were so cheap. The three together were for 99 rupees. So I just missed it out. So we'll go there. The first thing I want to talk to you about is this stand right here. It is my the most favorite purchase from IKEA. This has come in parts, like you get these things separately, and then you have these glass things, and then these are the sorry, these are again like this one and this one are again the two separate things. So they gave the wait, I'll show you. They gave these screws with it, which I have to attach with a kind of a screwdriver, which came along with this set. And this and this is made of glass, and this are of the plastic. I don't know if that's metal. This is how it sounds. So pretty, super affordable. I really love the way it look. And this is again the plant which I showed you. This is a plant which I placed in this pot right here. So yeah, this is the first thing. Next thing we have is this one right here. This is a board where you need to hang all of the stuff. You can hang your pictures by putting, like, you can do a magneting thing. This is a metal one, or you can just put a hook and put it right there. And no, this is attached. This is not attached to it. I had to buy it individually. And yeah, this is a pen stand which can be put to this. So I just put it like that. So this is how the board looks like. I thought of since I sit right here, I wanted to do this like do this thing like a vision board. So I got it, but due to lockdown I didn't put any pictures on it. So I'm looking forward to use this. First I thought like it would be like this, like in a horizontal way or a vertical way. I'm really bad at it, I'm sorry. So I wanted to put it that way, but the fixations came this way. So I already show you that compartment thing, but I just wanted to show you how I actually placed it. So this is a drawer, and I placed all of these things in this compartment so that I can easily pick things out. I have my face masks, and here I have my serums, my dry shampoos, my hand creams and everything. And here are my face masks. I have a piece of jewelry, I have and more serums, I have my contour, I have bronzer and everything. And like that I have placed individually in separate drawers. And this is all of my nail polish thing which you already saw. These are things which I got, and that is me. So guys, coming to the kitchen, we have this and this, and this is a stand we took separately, and this separately and this separately. These are supposed to be like a plant holders. You need to put plants in there, but we didn't have any plants, and we thought like it would look good in the kitchen. So here we have few glasses, and here I have a straw and few soup spoons. So yeah, this and this are nowhere related, but they all went together, so we just made it fixed right here. Coming to a washing area, this entire rack from there till here, including that box right there, is all from IKEA. You know, when you go to the store, you have this, you need to get every single thing individually. That is, you get these shelves. My hand is a little dusty. And then you get these brackets and those fixatures which you can see right there, which starts from there till there. everything you need to buy them individually. They are in the store through which you can get inspired from and customize your own shelves. We wanted the glass one thing, and the rest we wanted shelves, so that's how we got them. I don't know why there is that extra. We didn't have the proper equipment, and a few things were out of stock, so we have to go back and purchase them. So here we have the shelves, and even these things, these plates, plate holders are from IKEA again. These come individually, need to play them, so we have like 1 and 2 of them. And then again this thing is also from IKEA. I'm sorry for the noise. The people in the apartment is where the noise is coming from. Okay, so this rack is again from IKEA. It has this little section where you can put your spoons and everything, and then it has these I'll just show you this place, like where you can put individual plates right here like this. So we got this and these plate holders separately, and just put all our plates in there. And then here we put our pans and everything, and this needs to be fixed right here, but there was some problem again, and this is separating. That's a little dusty, which looks like this exactly. And then there's another box, this one, which comes out, and then there's this basket. So this is again a different set altogether. I'm really sorry, this place is like way too dirty, but I just could not help it. I'm sorry. So here's my little bit of cups experience. I love these cups. Like, I have to choose a different cup every single day. So all of them are placed right here. And here are some bowls. Here are some plates. Here's my green collection, my black collection, my white collection, and there are some random seal stuff and some casseroles and some juicer, and those are my favorite pans. And here we need to figure out what we need to put in there. So coming to my parents' washroom, I'm really sorry for the noise. It's the exhaust fan. We need the light, right? So is this mirror again from IKEA. I'm sorry about the dirt. I tried to clean it as much as I can, but it's not getting clean. So this is how the mirror looks like. Super pretty, golden in color, again very inexpensive. The material is actually plastic, but it kind of looks like a metal mirror. Has a very nice and royal look. Again, very inexpensive. We actually wanted a white one for this room because the entire thing is white, but it was not in stock, so we got the golden one, and I think this is looking more perfect than the white one if you would have taken it. So this area have this things holder, which comes with a magnetic fix. I'm really sorry, the exhaust fan is right here. I'm really sorry. And this is like a holder, and this is how it looks like from the bottom. It's super pretty and it's like so convenient. Like the shower is right here, and you can pick your body wash, your shampoo, everything right here. So this is this. And then coming here we have like a soap holder. Again, it has this magnetic closure. I think you need to like just fix them and wait for 24 hours and then use it. Again, it carries a lot of weight, super good, but there are not a lot of products in there. So yeah, these are all the things which we have. Bye. Coming a vlog now. Again, I forgot to show you these. These are like the brush and paste holders, like the toothbrush holders. So again, we got these two in white. I don't know my mom why, like we got it for her, but she doesn't use it. So yeah, we have these two again from IKEA. They're very cheap. Oh, they're not. Oh, the 330 for one piece, which is a bit expensive, and they are like completely plastic and they're not very heavy. Oh my god, I just dropped one. So yeah, these two are the things. That is Louis' belt. Okay, this is becoming a vlog now. Random thing which I forgot to show you is again this one. This is again brush and paste holder. I got it in green color. It's super cute, and it's actually the exact size of what I wanted. I wanted it in pink, but I don't think they had it, so I got it in green. Super cute. Also forgot to show you these containers. They're just like food storage. Like you can store in everything and anything. This is how they look like, and they retail for 376 rupees for these jars. And that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have really enjoyed it, and if you did, and that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have really enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, because that would mean the absolute world to me. And guys, I just showed you the products, and if you are like, IKEA has a particular way to shop in it. So if you want me to do a clear guided video of to how to actually go and shop there, then I'll just do a detailed video. But I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing that, so I'll just try to find a link and place it down in the description box below, in case if you want to check it out. And yeah, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
I like the groove. I like the groove. I like the groove. I like the groove.